Do you have eggs and tomatoes in your fridge? Try this easy, healthy, and impossible to miss recipe. Let's start our recipe by slicing 1 tomato. Then cut the slices in half and put aside. We're also going to need 1 onion. Cut it into slices and put aside. In a bowl, add 4 eggs. Take a moment and write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug. We'd love to know. Season the eggs with salt, black pepper, oregano, mild paprika, fine herbs. Mix to blend. All ingredients are to taste, and you can use your favorite seasoning. Put the eggs aside. In a pan, drizzle some oil and spread. Then carefully add the tomato slices. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love this recipe." After the tomatoes, add the onion slices. Add a pinch of salt and pan fry them for 2 minutes. Then turn them over to fry the other side. This recipe is not only easy to prepare, it's perfect for lunch or dinner, and it's super delicious. You won't regret trying it. Pour the beaten eggs, cover with the lid, and leave it to cook for just 10 minutes. And our recipe is done! Look how incredible it is! I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!